So we're getting our K-bar set up. We're going to switch, or we already have switched to the closed end adapter. It's got this roll pin in it that will keep it from slipping off of the center pin on these super tabs. All right, so it's been 3 or 4 minutes. Our tabs are all set up. We've got our new adapter, or closed adapter on. The reason I want to switch to this over the K-beam is I'm pulling at 2 different points. So if I can come here, then I'm going to hold pressure out while I'm working this crown here. And then quickly can jump right up to here, get on and hold pressure out to work this crown again and try to work this buckle down some more. I'm just putting my shoulder into the car and it's just a little bit of leverage out. Being this close to the end gives me stupid amounts of power, so I don't have to overexert myself. That popped off kind of quick, but we got a good move and it let me really work those down. I'm real happy with how down here looks. I'm going to go ahead and release this tab. I'm going to clean this glue off and reassess where we need to go up here.